How does algorithmic bias impact AI decisions? Imagine a world where machines make choices that affect your life, from job applications to healthcare. But what if these decisions are unfair or skewed? That's where algorithmic bias comes into play. It's a tricky issue in artificial intelligence because it can lead to unfair outcomes without anyone realizing it. Algorithmic bias happens when the data used to train AI systems is not completely fair or representative. For example, if a hiring algorithm learns from past data that favors one group over another, it might unfairly prefer male candidates over female ones. This is because the AI learns patterns from the data, and if those patterns are biased, the AI will follow suit. The way algorithms are built can also introduce bias. If certain factors are weighted more heavily than others, the AI might make decisions that seem logical but are actually unfair. For instance, if an algorithm for loan approval puts too much emphasis on income level without considering other factors, it might unfairly reject applicants from certain backgrounds. Another issue is confusing correlation with causation. Sometimes an AI finds a link between two things that are not actually related. For example, if an AI notices that people who buy certain products are more likely to be from a specific area, it might wrongly assume location causes the buying pattern, leading to biased decisions. Real-world examples show how these biases can have serious effects. In healthcare, an algorithm used to identify patients needing extra care favored white patients over black patients because it used healthcare spending as a proxy for health needs. Since black patients historically spend less on healthcare due to access issues, the algorithm underestimated their needs. In recruitment, a tool developed by a big company was biased against women because it was trained on resumes mostly from men. It penalized words like women's or resumes from all women colleges, which unfairly limited female applicants. In the justice system, the Compass algorithm used to predict if someone might commit a crime again was found to produce twice as many false positives for black offenders compared to white offenders. This shows how bias can influence important decisions that impact lives. Addressing algorithmic bias is an ethical challenge. Developers need to make sure the data they use is diverse and fair. They should also design algorithms with fairness in mind and regularly test them for bias. This way, AI can be more just and reliable. Incorporating ethical practices in AI development helps prevent unfair treatment of groups. Using balanced data, auditing algorithms often, and fixing biases when found are steps toward fairer AI systems. When we work to reduce bias, AI decisions become more trustworthy and better serve everyone.